Good day guys from Huay Xai. It's early morning. We're about to head off for a 2-day slow boat adventure on the Mekong River here. Gonna take a slow boat up to Luang Prabang today and tomorrow. Should be great fun, surrounded by great scenery, and it's kind of a must here in Laos to do that. So we're just gonna get some breakfast before we head off, and yeah, it should be great fun. We have arrived in Park Bang, in the middle.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, that's what it's called, man. The middle of nowhere, just on these rocks, waiting for our luggage. It's in the boat, on the bottom floor. Okay, so it's early morning, heading to the boat. Supposed to be driven there, but they told us that the tuk-tuk broke down, so we have to walk. Made it to Luang Prabang, or shall we better say half an hour before that, because they want all the tourists to take a tuk-tuk to Luang Prabang. Rip off. Okay, so we made it to our guest house, Kong Savan. It even has a pool. Check this out.